two-piece set and you don't have to wear a bra. It already comes in with the built-in bra. The padding, you can remove it, especially because it's like a razor back. You don't want to wear a bra with your straps sticking out. The material's like that buttery soft matte, super stretchy. The pants are really high waisted, which I absolutely love, especially because I don't really like showing my stomach. So this is how long the little top goes. Look at the little design on the back. It is so cute. I'm 5 feet tall. They do fit me pretty long. So I would say this is more of like tall girl friendly than anything. But I am obsessed. This is a size small. And I'm 139 pounds and I'm 5 feet tall. It depends on like the shoes, but it's so pretty. I love it.
Iwan ko IDK. Wait. Size small to big. Carry extra small hanggang medium. Self-tie padded. Pa-SSD ako, mima ko IDK. IDK, yours na 299. Pressure, minor SSD, add to cart. $299, Tankini Bells. Yung pa-shorts, $349. Sige, may wait lang. Hanap pa tayo. Konti lang yan eh. Yung Tankini. O, konti lang sila. Thank you, Mima IDK. Ang bilis. Today din yung ship out. O, eto. Extra small on tag. Carry hanggang small tsaka medium sis. Self-tie kasi siya. Extra small to medium, $299. Textured pa yan, rare sew. Code ako ng 7. Code 7, code 7. Size extra small to med papasok. Code ako ng 7. $299, code 7. Yours, Mima ko, Morena. Add to cart SSD. Thank you. Check out before 12 noon. Today din yung ship out. If after 12, bukas na siya, B. Aki, salamat siyo. Gando. May isa pa dito pero medium na siya on tag. Tsaka high waist. Sige, B, wait lang. Yung lace sa likod, 349. Size, extra small, tsaka small. Tangkini pa na small, wali na. Yun lang yung small. Medium na lang natira. O, eto extra small, tsaka small meron. Palis siya, self-tie padded, tapos pa shorts boy leg na may tali-tali sa waist. 349, extra small, tsaka small. Pa-code ng 5. Konti na lang yung pa-short D. Wait lang. Code 5, extra small, 5 small. 349. Code 5 small, 5 extra small. 5 small, 5 extra small. Wali, okay. Eto, extra small lang. Isa lang to. 349, extra small. Code 11. Code 11, code 11. Size extra small. Code ako ng 11. O, pa-short. Size medium. Ay, yours na si 11. Mima ko, Morena. Mima ko, Morena. SSD add to cart. Parang yan na lang tsaka yung lace yung may extra small. Medium na yung iba tsaka small. Large tsaka XL meron din. Pero tig-isa na lang. Wait lang. Add to cart 349. Thank you. May large ako nito, pero polka ata. Di ko sure, wait lang. Flex natin. Wait, so... follow, add to cart tuloy. Follow, share. Follow, share. Wait. 349 lahat ng pa-short. Ito medium. Medium padded bralette, may roach sa gitna. Close likod. Medium 349. Code ako dito ng 7. Code 7. Size medium 349. Code ako ng 7. 7 ang code. Size medium. Code 7. Ito small polka. Small polka 349. Self-tie padded top, boy leg. 349, mima ko lahat ng pa-short. Ayan, wait lang. Flex natin ng maayos, B. 349, size small. Code ako ng 1. Code 1. 349 small, boy leg. Code ako ng 1. Yung 7, 349. Size medium si 7. Si 1, ito small. Small si 1. Wali, next song. Animal print, size large. Naghahanap ng large dyan. Naghahanap ng large. Ayan, pa-short, large. 349, self-tie padded halter, may ring sa gitna. Code na lang dito ng 10. Code 10, size large, pa-shorts. 349, code ng 10. 10 ang code. Ito extra large, 349. Nag-iisa na lang to, biha, na pa-shorts. Extra large, code ako ng 6. Code 6, extra large, self-tie padded. Nag-iisang shorts na XL. Code ako ng 6. 6 ang code. Konti na lang. Ito na lang natitirang shorts. Extra small. 349. Extra small. Ganda ng print. Ayan. Extra small.